Hello, everybody. My name is Soumya, and I am your psychic, tarot card reader, healer, stylist, and a food blogger. So, welcome back to my channel. And how are you all? Hope you all are doing very well. And today my reading is on Sagittarius. आज की जो रीडिंग है वो Sagittarius लोगों के ऊपर है. आपके साथ कमिंग डेज में क्या हो सकता है during this November and December. And happy birthday to all my Sagittarius. Mwah. So let's see what is there with you, my Sagittarians. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for my Sagittarians? Sagittarians के लिए क्या है इस November? Spirits, please guide me. Angel, please guide me. Okay, I got 2 cards here. Okay, there are more. So I'll take 3 cards here. I feel like there was a time like when you offered this person a cup, a proposal, they refused it. Okay guys, you have taken this person care a lot. आपने इस person का ख्याल बहुत रखा है. Okay guys, past में. But इन्होंने refuse किया आपको, आपके मतलब कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है इन्होंने हर टाइम ठुकराया है. And they were like just not accepting your proposal for some. कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है ये प्रपोजल आए और आप लोग रिफ्यूज़ कर रहे हैं एंड आप अभी किंग एंड क्वीन की एनर्जी में चल रहे हैं. आप अपने आप को बहुत अबव देख रहे हैं एंड हो सकता है आप खुद भी चाह रहे हो कि आपकी फैमिली बने. एंड यस, आपको जो प्रपोजल आएगा आप उसके साथ रहेंगे. आप ट्विन फ्लेम में चल रहे इस वक्त. आप ट्विन फ्लेम जर्नी में है सैजिटेरियंस. एंड ये जो भी पर्सन है ये आपको बहुत ब्राइट वुमेन है और मैन की तरह दिखता है. आप बहुत ज़्यादा अबंडेंट है इनके लिए. आपको बस अगर इनका प्रपोजल आए तो आप एक्सेप्ट कर लीजिए. बिकॉज इफ़ यू आर डीलिंग विद देम राइट नाउ दे कैन बी इन किंग ऑफ वॉन्ड्स एनर्जी. ओके गाइस, यू आर नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग और दे आर नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग यू राइट नाउ. बट दे वॉन्ट अ हैप्पी फैमिली विद यू गाइज. ओके, इनको प्रॉपर स्टेबिलिटी चाहिए. ये वक्त आने पर आपके साथ कर सकते हैं कभी भी. एंड येस, देयर विल बी अ स्टेबिलिटी सून रिगार्डिंग योर मैरिज लाइफ. कमिंग डिसम्बर आई एम हैविंग अ फीलिंग लाइक यू विल गेट अ प्रपोजल बाय दिस पर्सन यू आर डीलिंग विद राइट नाउ. एंजल स्पिरिट, प्लीज गाइड मी. व्हाट इज देयर फॉर माई सैजिटेरियंस. ओके, मुझे लगता है ये पर्सन जो है आपसे बहुत कुछ हाइड कर सकते हैं. इनका आना जाना लगा रहेगा बिकॉज दे आर योर ट्विन फ्लेम. एंड डेफिनेटली इनका आना जाना रहेगा आपकी लाइफ में. एंड डेफिनेटली ये बाद में जाकर आपको मैरिज प्रपोजल देंगे. मे बी अ मंथ ऑफ डिसम्बर दे विल गिफ्ट यू अ डायमंड रिंग और अ गोल्ड रिंग. ओके गाइस, टेक व्हाट रेजोनेट विद यू. एंड यस, सी व्हील ऑफ फॉर्च्यून. आपको भी वक्त आने पर पता चल जाएगा कि है क्या इस पर्सन के साथ आपका नाता. बट डेफिनेटली राइट नाउ दिस पर्सन में refuse your proposal or you are refusing them, but definitely they will come to you. See, they will come to you. अभी तो ये भाग रहे हैं आपसे पर ये डेफिनेटली आपके साथ आएंगे. एंड द पर्सन यू कैन डील विद कैंसर, स्कॉर्पियो, पाइसेस, एरीज, लियो, सैजिटेरियस. दे कैन बी सेम सन साइन, लीब्रा, वर्गो. आई एम हैविंग अ फीलिंग लाइक लीब्रा, वर्गो, स्कॉर्पियन. इट इज़ लाइक दैट गाइस. सी, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This man is wealthy. Maybe they are not showing you कि इनके पास पैसा नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा या अभी कम ही चल रही है. बट दिस मैन इज़ वेरी वेल्थी. दे आर हैविंग लॉट्स ऑफ कॉइन एंड दे आर very much badly addicted to you guys. Very badly. Like they can't just live without you. They are getting slowly addicted to you. कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है ये slowly addict कर रहे हो. Okay guys, now let's see what my oracle says for you regarding your career also. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for career for Sagittarius? But आपके साथ जो भी चीज़ें regarding your career Sagittarius, this will definitely, your karma will turn on now. And the person who have hurt you, they will definitely will be coming back to you. And for others who are dealing with a new person, they are your definitely a soulmate. And कुछ लोगों के लिए हो सकता है ये twin flame. Now let's see what is there in your career in coming days. What will happen with my Sagittarians during the month of November and December? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Spirit, please guide me. Okay, I am having a feeling like you have lots of fire energy in you, right, guys? My Sagittarians, if you have, please do type comment. Yes, you are very fiery energy. See, Angel of Strength. Angel are saying that you have lots of strength in you. You are a very strong lady or a man or a girl or a boy who are watching this. You have lots of strength and you can handle anything very maturely. Okay guys, 50 can be related to you, and most of you are thinking right now regarding your career, how it will go and how it will proceed. But definitely what मेरे को जो फीलिंग आ रही है अंदर से, आप में इतनी पावर है, इतनी स्ट्रेंथ है कि आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं बहुत जल्दी. Sagittarians, now let's see what's more than a man holding a heart. I think it's kind of getting love reading only, but I'll make it as a career reading for you. I am having a feeling like some opportunity is waiting for you, but right now you're not accepting it. See, right now you're not accepting some career proposal. There can be a massive career proposal coming towards to you by this person or by some another new vacancy. Okay guys, so you have to just accept it because there is a right opportunity in front of you, so you have to just accept this proposal. And there is a someone definitely waiting for you, a handsome man or a woman. They are waiting for you have to just accept this proposal because this proposal is very right for you guys, because this is your soulmate. Okay, see, my shadow deck is showing a caring connection. So this is your caring connection, guys. This person definitely care for you. Number 14 you can see in your clock. 45 can be this person age, or this person could be married for some. 45, 47, 50. Okay guys, or for others I'll say if you are single, this person can be elder from you. For others they could be very young from you. Okay guys, see, you will have rock and roll Sagittarians this coming November and December. Happy family, caring connection. This person really care for you guys, and definitely congratulations. आप मुझे अपनी शादी पे ज़रूर बुलाइएगा guys. Sagittarians who all are watching this, December there could be an engagement, or this person wants to build a happy family with you. They are not right now telling to you, they are not right now coming in forward in front of you, but ये आएंगे आपके पास and definitely they will give you a marriage proposal guys. Okay, and let's see what our oracle says more about you. What will happen with my Sagittarian this November, December? What is their birthday gift? Angel Spirit, please guide me. Spirit Angel, please guide me. What is there for my Sagittarians? Oh, your card came too faster. ओफो, आप लोग एक तो लगता है, मुझे लग रहा है आप इस पर्सन के बारे में एक तो बहुत ज़्यादा सोच रहे हैं. ओके गाइज, अपने काम से रिलेटेड भी आप बहुत ज़्यादा सोच सकते हैं. इस पर्सन के बीच में और आपके बीच में कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आने वाला है बहुत बड़ा. इनको धक्का लगेगा एंड डेफिनेटली दे विल कम बैक टू, इफ़ दे आर फ्रॉम पास्ट so they will definitely come towards you, but mostly you will not accept this person now because you are too much gone so far right now. आप इतनी आगे बढ़ चुके हो, आपको फिक्र ही नहीं है उस पर्सन की. अब आप बस नए प्रपोजल को देख रहे हो और नई अपॉर्चुनिटी को देख रहे हो. आप अपने कॉइन पे इतना फोकस्ड हो, आप अपने करियर में इतना फोकस्ड हो, इतना अच्छा कर रहे हो सैजिटेरियंस. यू आर जस्ट गोइंग ऑन. ऐसे आप उड़ रहे हैं हवा में, मतलब यू आर फ्लाइंग लाइक अ बर्ड. यू आर अ फ्री बर्ड एंड यू आर फ्लाइंग हायर हायर हायर, just how eagle goes and all. So you are like an eagle, you are just going on, and you have so much of strength in you, guys. I am so happy for my Sagittarians. See, this person is thinking a lot about you right now. Whomsoever you are dealing with, ये आपके बारे में बहुत सोचते रहते हैं. एंड इनको पता है कि आप इनके सोलमेट हैं. सो डेफिनेटली. एंड another thing, this person will definitely have one of the biggest transformation. They will come towards to you regarding marriage is coming again and again, and they definitely care about you, guys. This is like a spiritual journey with them. 35, 19, 16 could be related to you, guys. You can see these numbers in your wall clock, or 35 can be your age, your person age, or 19 like is your age or your person age. 16, they can be like very childish from inside, but they are not showing you. Okay, guys, they are from very wealthy family. They are having good coins. They are not showing you right now, but time आने तक ये definitely आपको show करेंगे. 20 can be related to you, guys. And see, this is a male, means this person is the only person who is meant for you, guys. During this November, December, they will come to you. For other married people, if you are married, you will have another child, a big huge family, a happy family. You will be having lots of abundance. Okay, married people over here, let's see what our love romance is for you. Spirit angel, please guide me. What is it for November? Honeymoon. I feel like आप डिस्कनेक्ट करेंगे इस पर्सन के साथ, पूरी दुनिया के साथ. एंड आप हो सकता है कुछ लोग डेट प्लान करें अपना बाहर इस पर्सन के साथ. एंड दे विल डेफिनेटली गिव यू लिटिल बिट hints that they like you, they love you, and definitely they are looking forward with you for honeymoon. And if you are married, you are planning for some honeymoon to go out of India, place like a Venice. For other people, you will go to some lake cities like Nainital, Uttarakhand, and I am having a vision like you will go to Udaipur, Jaipur, Jodhpur to meet this person again. Okay, so you have to enjoy the holiday, like whatever you're spending, you will get to know each other more if you're dealing with a new person. And if you are talking to a current person, definitely you are making some plans right now. And for married, you have already making some plan to go out of honeymoon second or third time. See, there will be a reunion, guys. This person can be from past for most of you. For others, if you are dealing with a new person, this is your twin flame and soulmate. You are having a union, guys. See, because these two cards are here in front of me right now. And you, as I said before also, this man is already waiting for you to come and give them love, lots of love. And they will definitely propose you with marriage offer sooner. So happy for you, my Sagittarius. You are blooming very widely. I am also having a feeling like this person can have some family issues or some financial issues, but this will get over soon. Once they are healed from inside or their family problems are solved, they will come to you. Their financial problems will solve. They will definitely propose you. But I feel like this will happen very sooner, by December. See, shadow card is just wedding. You will get married to this person, like whomsoever you are dealing with. This is your twin flame soulmate. It's just that they are not accepting right now, but they will sooner be accepting right now. See, guys, if this happened, please guys come back and comment to me below section here. Okay, guys. See, they will definitely come. Congratulations, Sagittarians. Wedding is coming in front of you. This could be the one. See, you have already met the romantic partner you seek. So this is, I feel you are dealing directly with your soulmate, guys. You are no more into your past now. Sagittarians, you are into living in present right now. You are seeking love, and this person is also seeking love from you. Right now, they will not tell you, but definitely they will come to you, come forward with a big marriage proposal. Okay, guys, I'm so happy for you guys. Hope you all liked my reading. I do all my readings only on advance payment, and you can approach me at Instagram by the name of Tarot with Soumya. So, bye bye, everybody. Hope you liked my reading. Do comment below section and don't forget to subscribe and share. Okay, guys, bye bye.